That's it? You're not even going to wake up all the way? Or you wake up, but you're not going to move? So you'll still snore in that position. Great. This is what I go to sleep to most nights.